This is a web application which is being built for generating question paper with a click, with just a click of your hand. So the importance is that we know that now the higher education segment is in the face of disruptions. That is a lot of change has been happening in the higher education section by the implementation of outcome-based education. And for the success of the outcome-based education, we know that there should be a constructive alignment of both the teaching learning activity as well as the formative evaluation to the outcomes. So every day, that is when the teacher has been interacting with the students, definitely they will be interacting in the lines of some outcomes that has to be attained. And parallel to that, they should devise some indicators to ascertain whether these outcomes are attained. And this tool that we are introducing to you will be to create indicators. That means some questions, so to ensure that whether the students have attained their outcomes, or what level that they attained with respect to these their scholastic ability. So definitely this will be a boon to the teachers. You will be realizing when we go through this software. The first, I'll be taking you through the software. We'll be riding through the software because I used the word riding because it's a lot of excitement. You will be overwhelmed with excitement because we will be exploring out what this software is going to give you. And because I think we will go through the software, then thousands of words. The software itself will be explaining to you what you are going to have tonight. Okay. So I have got a few slides to share with you, a few slides in the sense, 4 or 5 slides, and I so that we can have an organized journey through the software. So this is our product. I mean, the web application that we have developed for you, Questionpaper.ai. So definitely you can see that it is a software which is being powered with the artificial intelligence, the generative AI. The question paper at your fingertip without any hassles. Actually, creating a question paper is something very a tedious one if you're creating it in the proper way, not by taking something from the past and making some changes and moving to the present. So if you're creating a question paper in the right way, especially in the multiple choice questions, it will be something very difficult. I mean, to find out some choices which is in the form of a distractors. So I have to get the genuine. That is insight of the students regarding the topic that you have been putting it in the form of questions. So definitely making question is an art. So this tool will be something, a tool that will be helping you to a greater extent. But I don't say that this will be 100% perfect. You are the, especially when this Suresh Nambudiri was been discussing about the different aspects. This will be always assisting you as an assistant, and the final decisions regarding its validity, or whether we could accommodate this tool depends upon our expertise and our knowledge. So here we will be just going through what this tool is bringing up to you and how to write through this application. So definitely, we have, these are some of the features which is been which I have showcased with reference to our tool. That is, you can create a question paper in any template. Suppose if your question paper is having 3 sections, that means you can create a question paper with the 3 section template. And in the first section, if there are 4 questions, so you can design your template. So there is a flexibility of fixing the template for generation of the question paper. So that is one feature that we have. So what are the features with respect to the template? That you can create your own template as per your requirement. Suppose if you want to have it a question paper just having only 1 section about 3 or 4 short answer, or 5 to 10 multiple choice, or if you want 2 sections, so you can plan your template according to your wish. So there is provision for designing template by yourself. So there is a gallery of quick templates. Suppose there is already pre-designed template which has been already there in this. You can directly take the template and go and create it. So there are predefined template which is there. You can either go with the predefined template, or you can create a new template, or you can copy the predefined template and modify it. Because that predefined template, if you want to create exactly from scratch, you can build the template exactly from the scratch, or you can use the predefined templates which has been available with the software, or you can copy the template and you can modify the template and use it. And all this template will be in a list of archive list, and there will be a template number. You can select the template number and you can generate the question paper as per the template. So that is one feature that our software has been having. The second feature is about the questions, because a question paper becomes rich if the questions become rich, right? So here, what is the functionality that the software gives is that you can generate question paper from any topic or any discipline as per your requirement. That is, you can there is no bounds. You can create question paper either from science subjects, or from art subjects, or from computer background, from management, whatever be the area. You can prepare questions from that area. The second important thing is that we know that when we are going with outcome based education, the guiding light of outcome based education at every phases is Bloom's taxonomy. So I think in our previous FTPs, we have given many sections on Bloom's taxonomy, and actually the Bloom's taxonomy is to scale the learning of the students into a roadmap from simple to complex. So if you want to prepare the question according to the level of learning, you can there is provision for this AI tool to generate question papers, questions from different levels. So that is another important functionality. You can input syllabus. Suppose if you want to prepare questions from your syllabus, you can input syllabus. Or if you want to prepare questions from a small topic that you are, suppose if you have taken 2 weeks class, you have completed a small topic and you want to prepare questions from the topic, you can input the topic and you can create the questions. Or if you even give a book name in the sense some popular book name like Shakespeare in Macbeth, or Shakespeare in Midsummer Night's Dream, or some poems, some famous poems, you can just give the name of the poem and ask this software to create questions. It will directly giving prepare questions for you from that particular book, or from the particular poem, or from the particular part of that drama, or something like that. So it's a very wonderful tool. You can prepare questions from anywhere. And the thing is that ChatGPT, no AI tool is 100% perfect. There will be about accuracy will be up about 70 to 80%. So obviously the 30% challenge is in front of us. So obviously there may be a requirement to change the questions according to our flexibility or our requirements. So there is provision for us to edit the questions which has been already prepared. So this is something very wonderful. So preparing questions, so another feature is that our tool, this questionpaper.ai is uh, OBE friendly. OB friendly in the sense that we know that we cannot keep away from outcome based education, because it is we are on the way of implementing outcome based education. So in an outcome based education, the success, we have already planned about the COs, and we have gone much ahead on designing about the assessment tools. But what exactly the essence of outcome based education is how you interact with the students, how you define your methodologies and strategies. And when defining the methodologies and strategies, the something that should come with you all the time is evaluations. So it will be creating a indicator for evaluating is something very important. And this tool is nothing but an instrument that help you to create an indicator or questions in order to make formative evaluations. So success of OBE depends upon how effective your formative evaluation is. And the formative evaluation generating tool is nothing but our tool. So definitely this is something very, very useful for the teachers, especially in the higher education sectors. So you can that means you can enter CO with respect to the course, and save it, and with respect to course code. So the thing is that not only the questions will come out of this software, you can enter the COs and you can map the COs, these questions with the CO. Because for attainment calculations, definitely mapping of each and every activity here, every question is an activity that you are giving to the students. Mapping that question to the COs is important. To what level there is provision for that, so that it could be integrated with your ERP or whatever softwares that you have been handling. It could be very well integrated, and even it could be integrated with Moodle also. So definitely this is an OBE friendly software. And with respect to time, these are some of, so these are the features of our software, and these are other value that we can derive from the software. That definitely OBE is something that help you to save time and help you to work so in a smart way. So definitely it is much economical with respect to time and cost. Obviously that is, if you are taking 3 hours for development of a good question paper, this software can develop it in 10 minutes. So you can just imagine what the huge amount of time that you could save. That is 90% or more of the time could be saved from this question paper. And this tool will bring out some questions, not some traditional questions, some innovative questions which you would not have thought before. So these are something very very important. Because and another important thing is that uh, the quality of an educational system depends upon the quality of the assessment engine. If you are making the students to go through higher order questions, definitely their level of expertise will increase. So that is the important way of increasing the quality. And if you are enhancing the quality, definitely the system also will go higher. And another important, the most important thing is that uh, the chat GPT not only gives, not chat GPT, our questionpaper.ai not only gives you questions, it also gives you answer. So it is very helpful for you to create scheme of valuation, isn't it, like scoring key or valuation points. So this is something very very important. That is just that is, you input the question paper, just make a click there, your answers will be ready. But the thing is that it is the chat gpt, some the AI tools can sometimes fool you, because the API we have taken it from the chat gpt. That's why I often mention it as chat gpt. So it can sometimes fool you. So you have to be the master of this AI tool. If there is a need for some correction, you have to do it. Otherwise we may get fooled. So this is an intelligent thing. They will be mimicking your intelligence, but at the same time they have not attained the highest level of maturation. The 30% is there yet to be attained. If you have 100% accuracy, definitely there is no need for any that is trouble for making any that is validations regarding what this AI tool gives. So validation is something very important, and that's what I mentioned here. So no AI tool is have an accuracy of 100%. Hence, no AI tool can replace a human expertise. It only act as a support. I repeat, all these tools will be only acting as a support to your workspace to lessen your complexities and burden through suggestions. And the ultimate authority and expert to make choice is teachers who handle the AI tool. So the responsibility is to use it wisely. I repeat, the responsibility is yours to use the tool wisely. So over to our web application. So we will be going through the web application in 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. The first thing is that we have to log in into the web application. And the second thing is that we have to input the course outcomes. Because I told you that this is OB friendly. There is this tab for you to input the course outcomes, and then we can create custom template as per the requirement, and then go and generate question paper. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 which we are going to have with our softwares. So definitely So definitely by today, we will be sending this the link to enter into the software to the very same. I repeat, the very same email ID that you have given for registration, and the email ID that you have obtained this LMS credentials. So you will be getting a mail like this one. You will be getting a mail like this one. So don't. So this is the mail that you get. This will be the mail that you get in your inbox, and you can click here, sign up today. So when you click there, this will be opening up to you for signing up. So what is here? You can enter your name here. Then most important is email address. The email address. So the email address is something very important. The email address that you have to enter here is that email that email where you have got your login credentials. So that is the email that you have to enter here, and you can set the password. You can set the password. That is the password, and as you know that you can set the password. So there is no much specification in the password. The password should be at least about 8 characters. So there is no specification regarding the uppercase, lowercase. You can set the password like that, and you can click next. So what happens is that you will be receiving an OTP. You will be receiving an OTP in the mail address that you have given. So you have to enter that OTP. By entering that OTP, you can enter into our software. So this is the dashboard of our software or the web application. So our 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 is gone. And what is the second thing? Second thing is that there are 4 tabs here. This is the home tab. And what you can see here is, we have got, by default, we have got 5 templates. 5 templates. Template is the format by which the question paper has to be generated. So let us, if you want to check what this template look like, if you want to have a purview of the template, you can click here for the purview. So this template one, what is the purview of the template? You will be having part one. Part one is multiple choice questions. 5 multiple choice questions are there. Part two are short answer type. Part three are long essays, which has to be answered in an or type. So this is one template which is already available, here. The another template, template is which is available here is this one. So this one is the another template which is available here. So here, just like this template will be having this single for MCQ only. There are 10 questions for MCQ. Likewise, there are 5 templates which are available. So you can just purview this template. You can just purview this template like this. So this one is the second template. There are 10 multiple choice questions from only multiple choice questions. Suppose if you want a template which has got 5 what you could say short answer type, you can make a template of your own. So here this is for quick generation. And if you want to create a template, you can create a template of your own. So this is a multiple choice questions. And like likewise, if I'm clicking here, here we have how many sections are there? Section A, that is answer in one word question. That is 8 one word questions are there. B part, or type questions are there. So the third template is like that. So you can enter into the your software, and you can check out the different templates which has been available here. And this is the interface for entering the course outcomes. So here I have already entered this one here. That is this is a course. where I have entered this is a statistics based course. There I have entered to a bridge course where I've entered two course outcomes, explain the concept of statistics like that. This is the template for entering the course outcomes. Suppose if you want to enter under the course outcomes like this, you can enter it here. Suppose I am having 5 course outcomes in the paper contemporary. This is a paper for the B.Ed program, the contemporary Indian education. If you want to enter it like this, you can enter add new one. You can enter the code. What is the code which has been given for that edu note 1? That is because these course outcomes I entered for making mapping, and the first course outcome I will just enter 2 of them. Okay, compare. I will just copy this. Coming back, entering here, I'll just paste it. Course outcome 2. I'm just going there because I've already got the course outcome here. I will copy this, go back, paste it here, paste, and then course outcome 3. I'll be copying it. I'll be copying it and coming here, and I'll be pasting it. So after this, I'll be saving it. So the course outcomes are saved. So you can see that you do note 1, I have entered the course outcome. So if you are going to prepare, if you are handling a course, definitely the course will be having a course outcome. The first instance that you have to do is that you can give a code name for your program. I have given the code name EDU Note 1 for the paper Contemporary India, the Contemporary Indian Education. And I got 5 course outcomes. I have just entered 3 course outcomes here, isn't it? And you can have a template here. Okay, you can if you want to create a template, if you want to create a new template, you can create a new template here, a template here. Then you can give a template name, template 6. Okay, this is a college. It is in the mark. The duration is 30 minutes. And okay, I have got only one part. I am only taking one part. Answer all questions. And the type of questions is short answer type. Short answer type. And the total questions is 5 questions. And I want the students to answer all the 5 questions. And mark for each question is 5 marks. And any instruction that I could give, answer all questions. So I have just and if I'm saving it, please fill the institution name. Okay, I will fill the institution name. It's a mandatory field. Okay, it's Marine College, Kutikanam. Okay, now everything is okay. Now I will add it. So what happens? The template is already created. See, so creation of template is that easy. So if you want to have the default template, it is already there. If you want to have a small template for your purpose, you can prepare it like this. So you can just check that that template. Okay, your template is a very small template where we have 5 short answer type questions. 5 short answer type questions. Okay, so now we are going to prepare question paper. We are going to prepare question paper. Okay, so for preparing the question paper, what we have to do is that we have to select this template. We have to select this template. Okay, so I am going to prepare a question paper in the format of the template that I've created. What is the format of the template? 1 section and 5 questions. And what you can just click create here. Just to click create here, you can give that is an internal examination 2003, the template 6. There is only 5 templates which is by default there. Then it's a college, Marine College. But the program, is I will say that it is a B.Ed program, B.Ed program. And there is a course code which I would like to give is this edu not 1, that is Contemporary Indian Education. So the title entries is been ready. And what is next? You have to enter the syllabus here. So here we can enter the syllabus either as a PDF format, that is the syllabus PDF format, or you can give the text and create questions. So I have got a PDF format which is already there as a syllabus. I've got a PDF format here. I will just show it. the PDF format. This is the syllabus of the B.Ed syllabus. Okay, this is the syllabus. This is the syllabus that I am having for the B.Ed. I've just downloaded it from the Gandhi University's website. So I can just enter it here. I can just enter it here. B.Ed syllabus, open. So that B.Ed syllabus will be entered. That B.Ed syllabus has been entered. So that has been entered here. Okay. And now the thing is click generate. You can click generate. So now the AI tool is going into the ocean of knowledge, and then it has created questions that easy. You have created only 5 questions. See, so what are the aims of education into individual? Okay, so so easy. It is so easy. And if you want to map this to the outcomes, if you want to map this to the outcomes, okay, mapping. First question. We have entered 3 outcomes here. If you mouse over here, you can see that outcome. Compare the cultural heritage of India. Likewise, okay. Suppose if this is connected with the first outcome. So what is the level? Okay, it has been moderately, because this is not a section where I'm going to teach how to what is the logic behind, or what is the technical concept behind outcomes. So okay, the second question could be mapped to the outcome number 2. Probably it may be connected with outcome number 2. The third question also highly. The fourth question is related to outcome with a moderate in a less way. Likewise, you can update it. So your question paper is ready. See, outcome number 1, outcome number 2, outcome number the 2, outcome number 3. Likewise, you can. So here you didn't map that outcome. Okay, where is the fifth one? You can map it. Okay, strongly update it. So that is also clear. So here we got the questions. They are Bloom's level, K2 level, and regarding they are mapped to the outcomes, so that it could be very easily integrated with your ERPs. That is the marks that the students obtain. If you are integrating it with the ERPs, the rest of the calculations will be done. And if you want to, if you are not satisfied with this question, isn't it? Which question? Explain the significance of Upanishads. Okay, you can cancel it. Cancel it. Okay, that is bit cancelled. And now you can add it once again. The syllabus once again, and ask to generate it. So what it is doing, you have cancelled one. You have cancelled one, and then you are asking it to generate. So what this tool will be giving is that that questions will be that is, it will be giving you a number of options for selecting the questions. It will be creating questions again, applying Bloom's taxonomy level. So one by one it has been going. So it is not giving you one question, it is giving you a bunch of questions like this. From this you can select one. Okay, and you can insert. Okay, suppose if you are not suppose if you are not interested with you can again edit it like this. You can again edit it like this. We need only Macaulay's minute, with reference to Macaulay's minute. I don't want Wood's dispatch, so I can edit it. If you want to type something like this, you can also type something like this. So that is your question paper. So that is a question paper. That question paper will come into as a log, so you can collect one. So this is so interesting, so interesting. So I am just going to create another question paper. So now I have given the syllabus to the our AI tool, and the AI tool has created questions according to the syllabus, according to the template, right? And another thing I could do is that I will go to the template, the sixth template, the last template, because I got only 5 questions, isn't it? I am going to generate another question paper. Okay, internal examinations, template C, college, Marine College, program, BSc program, BSc program, and the course code. Okay, this is the course for English literature. I am going to prepare a course. Okay, the same 5 questions. Here, I am not preparing, giving the syllabus. I'm just giving the book name, Macbeth. So Macbeth, it's a very popular book, Shakespearean play. So I have just given the chat GBT to create 5 short answer from Macbeth. If you can even delimit this area, which area to ask. It has created the questions. What is the main theme of Macbeth? How does Macbeth ambition drive the plot of the play? Explain the concept of fate in Macbeth. Discuss the role of supernatural elements in Macbeth. Is it not wonderful? Definitely, it is wonderful. Okay, I am going to create. So that question paper will be also as come here. This is the question paper I've created regarding Macbeth. This is the question paper that I've created for you for the B.Ed program. Another question paper I'm going to create 5 questions. That will be simple. For this, you go to template, select the template. This is a template that I've selected. And then I'm going to go and create the question paper. Okay, all these things, 6th template, Marine College. The program is MCA Bridge course. And MCA Bridge course, this is not, okay, we will, I think what's the, okay, this is a bridge course, and this is basic statistics. Going to the next one. Where is the syllabus? This is the bridge course. So first we have given PDF. Second, I have just given a book name. The third one, I am just giving a small this one, basic statistics. Okay, module 2. Okay, let me take this one. Copy this. I'm going to paste it here. Okay, I'm just going to take away that hours. Sometimes they will ask how many hours you you have. They have lecture classes. Sometimes they make question like that because it is it's a machine who has been generating it. So generate questions. So our template is only what is that? 5 questions, short answer type questions, and the chat GPT is going to have a question. So easy. What are the measures of general tendency? Explain the concept of dispersion statistics. Likewise, we have got questions. So I've just taken a very small part. Otherwise, if you there is more number of questions, it will take little more time. So it is that easy. And now you will be wondering, how about the answers? Okay, so you go to the preview, generate answers, generate answers. Okay. So if you are asked to create what you could say a scoring key, or the answers are right here, the chat GPT has given you the. So don't you think that is if you it has taken given you that much of relaxations. So we have shown you all these things. And finally, if you want to have a purview, you can have the purview, and also you can record this your level of satisfaction here. If you are happy, okay, if you're happy with your question paper, you can, because that is the feedback that you can do along with this. And one more thing that I would like to say is that one more thing that I would like to show is that one more template which is here. I would like to take is template number 2. Template number 2. What is the speciality? Multiple choice. This is something where you need it. Suppose if you're taking about a 2-hour class, and then you can just make whether the students have attained. This is what we are going to create. A multiple choice question here, from which area internal examinations template 2, a multiple choice questions, Marine College. The program is the bridge course. Okay, what I could give here, it is okay. And this is what contemporary, not contemporary Indian education. That is bridge courses. What I said is basic statistics going here. So now it is not short answer. You are going to create what? Multiple choice questions. So here I am going to paste that, because I have already that here already. That is why I already taken this one and generate. So now ChatGPT is going to this area, yeah, going and getting multiple choice questions, because in that template we have got 10. If you want 5, change the template. You can copy this template. You can make a new template of multiple choice questions, and then you can just have that according to your requirement. So because now it is taking little time in the sense because we have to get 10 questions and 10 multiple choice questions, and 10 multiple choice questions should have, okay, now it is ready. What is the measures of central tendency? What measure of central tendency is affected the most by extreme values? Okay, obviously arithmetic mean. Likewise, you got 10 multiple choice questions. If you want answers, you can just generate answers. Click and generate answers. So don't you think that this is something very, very, very interesting for you? So the answer is option A, because arithmetic mean, if there is abnormal values, that will affect the arithmetic mean. If you are going and asking what is the average income of the people living around Ambani's house, definitely Ambani's income will make even the poor millionaire. So that is something very interesting. Okay. So this is the power of our version. So every remark that is after generating, if you want to have a purview, you can have a purview like this. This is the purview, and in the side there is that is you are, if you're satisfied with this, you can give something like this. Okay. If you want to download it, click download. If you want to download it, you can click download, and then the question paper will be there for you. For it will be there. 10 multiple choice questions will be there. You can download it, serve it to the students, and enjoy the beautiful preparation of questions. So after preparing, you can have the purview and you can download it. So what comes next is, don't forget to input your feedback. The feedback, the smileys, the three smileys are there, whether you're happy, because it is that feedback we have to incorporate it for our future refinement of our product. So why a blank? Why a blank? It is not blank. It is unveiling the question paper.ai. So that is about our this question paper.ai, our application, the question paper generation application. It could be very well integrated into your by the teachers, as well as it could be used by the students in order, if you want to, if you are just taking a small class, if you're inviting some persons to take a class, you can just give the topic. They will create multiple choice questions and serve it, and just up then and there you can get feedback from the students. So that is formative evaluation, and formative evaluations makes the your OBE great.